Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this infographic in PowerPoint. So first of all, you have to open up a blank slide, then let's insert a circle right here. Then let's put it into the middle and the center. Increase its size, change its color to white, and then let's just go to shadow and give it a 5th number shadow. Here we go. The next thing you have to do is just duplicate the same circle, give it an outline, remove its fill, then we're gonna insert the title. Then we're just gonna put the text. Then we're just gonna make a small circle right here. Then change their colors and duplicate it into 5. Then we're just going to put them in the middle and the center just below the text. Insert these lines like this and send the top part to the back and the middle one to the front. The next thing you have to do is just change the line color to black. Then we're going to insert a small circle right here. Then we're just gonna give it an outline like this. Then let's just duplicate them and put them like this 5 times. Then we're just gonna put these small circles on top as well. Just add icons. So yeah, this is the final result. Make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel.